Hello! Do you plan your day for learning? Well, planning helps you get up to speed so that you're not figuring things out while trying to learn. Greetings from Team Eduvate. Planning boosts your confidence and reflects a holistic nature of learning.
So, how should you create a plan for learning? Firstly, set realistic study goals. You have to be judicious in setting your study goals. To begin with, have easily attainable goals and then graduate to the difficult ones. This will keep you stay motivated to move forward. List out all the subjects of study and keep all the subject books well organized. Prepare a timetable. Allocate time for studying each of these subjects in your timetable. Plan enough time for studying each subject.
Reserve time for activities like sleeping, eating, exercising, resting, playing, etc. in your timetable. Eduvate suggests a judicious allocation of subject periods to the schools such that students get enough time for studying, playing, and recess for eating and resting.
Stick to your timetable. Please remember, there should be no procrastination in studying. Still, if in case you are unable to complete today's task, please carry it forward to the next day's timetable. Allot some time for revision in the timetable to ensure wholesome achievement of goals. Evaluate your performance frequently. If you track your own progress, you can assess the improvement in learning, which will increase your confidence and keep you motivated to progress further. Evaluation can also help you know the scope and areas where improvement is required. Hence, you can accordingly manipulate your learning plan. Now, let me give you some tips to increase the study outcome. Firstly, wake up early in the morning. It is a good idea to wake up early and study because the rising sun brings with it the energy which can be absorbed. However, if your body clock is unable to adjust to this schedule, you should figure out the best possible sleeping and waking up time for yourself, ensuring that you get undisturbed 7 to 8 hours of sleep, as poor sleep inhibits learning. Drink plenty of water. Your brain is around 75% water, so it helps you to focus, concentrate, and stay alert. Exercise regularly. Physical activity causes blood to flow to your brain, which can help you improve your concentration and focus your learning. Take small breaks from studies intermittently to refresh your brain, increase your energy and ability to focus. Have a study group. Studying in group is governed by pure learning and can be really effective if the study process is not derailed by chattering away and learning outcome is identified.
Eduvate strongly emphasizes on planning to be made an integral part of a learning process. I hope you found the information useful and will implement it in your life too. Also, please share your take on it and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.